Welcome to the 2020 Unified Communications Device-a-thon.
Well, I've moved to the unifiedcommunications.com virtual studio to talk about our next category of devices, Teams Live Event Kits. These are portable, hand-curated bundles put together by our team that include everything you need to take your live events to the next level. They include support services from our team of experts to help you get started as well. And we pair these kits with OBS. It's a free software tool. I'm using it right now. It can encode live events, supports multiple inputs, advanced layouts, and functions like green screen and NDI. Let's take a look at the kits. We need high-performance compute for live streaming, so we include Surface Book in all of the kits. The starter kit gets a Surface Book 3 with an i7 processor and 16 gigs of RAM. For audio, we include a Jabra Speak 750. This can be used with a small group, plus a high-quality wired USB mic, perfect for a single presenter event, something like CEO Town Hall. The starter kit includes two cameras, a Logitech Rally and a Brio that could be used either together or separately, depending on the nature of your event. We use a really cool device called Stream Deck for push-button control to start and stop your broadcast, or transition between different sources and scenes. This means that once you're set up, anyone can drive the live event. You don't need to be an expert in OBS or live events. They just need to be able to press a few really intuitive buttons. Lighting is a huge part of high-quality video, so we include the LoomCube broadcast kit. There's also an HDMI to USB ingest adapter. This allows you to bring any source that can output HDMI into your live event. This could be a PC. It could even be the output of a Surface Hub. The kit also includes an accessory pack with tripods and USB hubs to make sure you have everything you need. And lastly, support services from our team of experts. This includes pre-configuration of the hardware and remote guidance to help you get started with both live events and OBS. Next, we have the Advanced Kit. This upgrades the Surface Book 3 to 32 gigs of RAM. For audio, you get a pair of Jabra Speak 750s. This could be really helpful for a small, socially distanced panel discussion. You also get a wireless lapel mic. In addition to the Brio camera, we include a high-quality Sony DSLR type camera to help you capture high-quality video. The kit includes the same Stream Deck device for control. You get two of the LoomCube broadcast kits for lighting, the HDMI ingest adapter, and the accessory pack with tripods and USB hubs. The Advanced Kit also provides some additional time to help get you going. Next is our Pro Kit. This upgrades the Surface Book 3's video card to a Quadro graphics card with GPU. For audio, you get the pair of Jabra Speak 750s and the wireless lapel mic, but we add a shotgun mic for really targeted audio. The camera also gets an upgrade to a higher-end Sony DSLR type camera, and you get a Logitech Rally. The kit includes the Stream Deck device for control. It adds 4 of the LoomCube broadcast kits for a lot of flexibility on the lighting side, along with the HDMI ingest device and the accessory pack of tripods and USB hubs. The Pro Kit includes plenty of remote guidance time and support from us to ensure that you are really off to the races with live events and OBS.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more about our services, solutions, and devices, please visit us at unifiedcommunications.com or give us a call. Don't forget to hit the like button and follow the link in the description to view our full Device-a-thon webinar.